Hello guys, so it's another unboxing day. I will be showing to you the things that I bought this month. It's not all at once but separate days, but this is not the usual days that, because most of my days is or month is pretty chill and I don't spend so much, but this month is just too much and I purchased excessive. The purchases are very excessive, so I am excited to show it to you. And without further ado, let's get into it. So first in our list is this necklace that I'm wearing. This is by the brand Van Cleef and Arpels. This is the vintage hammered Alhambra necklace, gold. So I bought this pre-loved from Japan because I saved better if I buy it pre-loved. So the retail price of this necklace is 2,900 plus tax. It's gonna climb to a 3,100. That's my estimation for the retail price. While pre-loved, I bought this for 2,000 1,900. That already includes a tax plus import. So two overall I paid 2,100. So if you compare the difference, it's a couple of bucks. So I'm happy. Um, yeah, it's just I just don't feel like paying full price. So is this a regret? Not really. I like it. When I first saw it, it's so yellow, but I get used to it and I like it. It's cute. It's the vintage one. So there's a sweet small one, and this is the second size. Happy. Next in line is this item from Ralph Lauren. So previous weeks, couple of weeks ago, I went to New York and the only thing that I bought is this item from Ralph Lauren. The color blue really looks classic with this one right here, and eyes. I would say personally this is a very versatile. So this is the only remembrance I got. I main This is the main one. So we really took a train just to go to the store. I bought a clip from Harry Potter store, but that's I never intended to buy one. I just bought one for my friend. But this will be my main hat, especially right now in San Francisco. It's really sunny. Continue. We got here this ionic hair waver. I don't just randomly buy stuff that I like. So the two reasons why I bought this, or what made me buy this, it's first is I've seen this in Instagram advertisement. The waves were really perfect and clean. And the second one is when I went to New York, I tried to um, waved I waved my hair using a straightening iron, and it's really time consuming. So I tried to lessen the time waving my hair. That's why I decided to purchase this, because most of the time I curl my hair like this, but sometimes I want it different, but I just need practice. I considered returning this after trying it for the first time because the wave was really bad. Because I don't know, it's just I need practice. But then when I received this item, it was sealed, so I'm not sure if they would like it. They would love receiving this open box, so I decided to just keep it. So it's heavy too, so it's gonna consume much space in your luggage if you're gonna bring this somewhere with you on your travel. So the second one that I have in here that I bought from Amazon is this bag right here. So this looks like a high-end brand that I can't remember the name. My friend mentioned it. I said no, I just got this from Amazon. So the reason why I chose this one aside from the the reason why I bought this instead of the high-end ones, because this will only be used at work, and at work I'm kind of sometimes you're kind of clumsy and you need to put a lot of stuff, and I don't want to do that on an expensive bag. So That's why I got this from Amazon. There are probably two colors or three colors including this to choose from, but I picked the black one because it's very universal, and yeah, it's gonna fit. If I wear colorful clothings, then this will not interfere because it's plain. We got here another box. This is in Neiman Marcus because I hang out with friends again last weekend. And this one right here, I bought Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh Tint in a color medium light. So I've been eyeing on this one right here. Like I've said earlier, I'm not the kind of I'm not someone who just I see this, I like it, then I buy it. I'm not like that. I see it, I like it, and I have to think about it, especially if I don't feel like spending. So my skin has always been an issue, having like flaky skin when I apply foundations, or like yeah, matte foundation, or concealer. So it's an issue. So this one, I'm hoping that this one right here, because it is a water fresh tint foundation, or yeah, this would make a difference. My goal is to like a smooth, fresh looking skin. So I am very hopeful, and I hope that this is really worth my money. So my friend also bought, my friends, they bought something. Actually, it's the bronzer that I really like. I was like eyeing, but I didn't buy it. My friends bought it. Now she wants to sell it to me. So I'm gonna get that. But until then, I'll just have to wait. The last bag that we have right here is this orange bag. So this orange bag is pretty random and very unexpected, but it's okay. Actually, my purchases lately, like this batch right here, nothing is like this is the only one that I said should I return it or not, but the rest of them is like no doubt, no doubt I'm keeping it. So we've got here, it has a ribbon, but I already removed it because I have to test it, when I arrived home, because it's very exciting. So this is a footwear. So I got heels. This is very light, I like it. Of course, because I bought it, I love to say I like it, but the main reason what made me purchase this is, first thing is the color. Look at my nail color, they're the same, so I like this color. Plus the material they use, this one right here is I don't know how they call this, but it's like caviar leather. It's hard looking one, so not this is not the soft one, so that's what I like. And it's very light, and the difference of the heel color and the top is not that much, so they blend well, because the other color, you got purple here and then the heels is like this. It's just too much of a contrast. So this is the one that I got from Hermes. Sometimes it makes me wonder and confused if I got the right size, but I guess this is the right size. This is very light compared to the Hermes Oran sandal, so this is really pretty. I like it. I'm gonna be now. I can use this since we're done with the unboxing. And got the pouch. Maybe I'll have a. Of course, not maybe. Of course, I'm gonna have a separate review for this. So stay tuned. So that's it, guys. So I've spent so much in a month, which is not usual. It's pretty expensive, excessive for me as just a regular, not doesn't have any high positions in the corporate job. So you know what I mean. Like, it's just too much, way over my budget. But I'm kind of stressed, so that's why. But this rarely happens. I guess this is it, guys. See you on my next post. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to click the like button if you like this kind of video, so I would know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and just if you want to see some of my posts in the future, then you may click the subscribe button. Until then, see ya. Bye.